Okay, let us discuss about electric potential due to a point charge. Electric potential due to a point charge. In the previous classes, we discussed about what is electric potential. Electric potential between 2 points is given by initial point to final point h dot dl or e dot dl it is. Magnetic potential is h dot dl and electric potential is given by e dot dl. That we discussed in last class. Now we go for another topic. Now we go for potential due to a simple point charge. Potential due to a simple point charge. Potential due to a simple point charge. We already know that potential difference between 2 points is given by VAB equal to minus B2A E dot dl. E dot dl we derived previously. E dot dl volts, that is joules per coulomb or volts. That is VAB is nothing but VA minus VB. VA minus VB. Okay. That is the potential we derived in the previous class. Now we go for potential due to point charge which is located at origin in a spherical coordinate system. In a spherical coordinate system, assume that potential due to a point charge. Spherical coordinate system, we have to consider potential due to point charge. Consider a point charge Q. Assume that a charge is Q. Consider a point charge Q which is located at the origin of spherical coordinate system, inducing or producing some electric field, that is electric field intensity radially. This is the electric field intensity radially producing by all the charges. Okay. Assuming free space, electric field is indicating by E. Electric field is indicated by E. That is electric field produced by this charge plus Q, positive charge. Assume that it is this charge produces some electric field. Some electric field in radial direction. In all directions this will produce. At a point A, assume that a point A it is. At this point, what is the electric potential? Okay, we have to calculate. Assuming it is a free space, the field E bar due to a point charge is at a point A is given by E equal to, what is the formula for E? Already we derived in the last classes. E equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. E by 4 pi epsilon naught by R square AR. The direction, the indicate by this is మామూలుగా ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఫార్ములా ఏంటి? at any point what is the electric field intensity? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Okay, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Electric field intensity at any point, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square AR. Okay, the potential difference between 2 points, we have to measure that. Assume that a point B, another point at a distance RB, from the charge, it is RA. What is the potential difference? It is RA. Assume that distance from charge is A, RA. Consider a unit charge is placed at point B. At this point, consider a unit charge is placed, which is at a radial distance of RB. It is small rb, which is at a radial distance of RB from the origin. Now it is moved against the electric field. Electric field direction is in this direction. It is moved against the electric field direction from B to A, from point B to A, it is moving. The point A is radial distance RA from the origin. Okay. In the spherical coordinate system, whereas the differential length is given by what is in a Cartesian coordinate system, the differential length is dl equal to some formula. What is the dl? Differential length dl equal to dx plus dy plus dz in all directions. Dx plus dy plus dz. Similarly, in spherical coordinate system, what is dl? That formula we have to remember. ఒక ఛార్జ్ని బి దగ్గర ఉండే ఛార్జ్ని ఏ దగ్గరికి మూవ్ చేయాలి, ఆపోజిట్లో ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ డైరెక్షన్ ఈ డైరెక్షన్లో ఉంటే బి నుంచి ఏకి ఛార్జ్ మూవ్ చేయాలంటే మనకు డిఫరెన్షియల్ లెంత్ తెలియాలి. ఈ లెంత్ ఎంత మూవ్ అయిందో డిఫరెన్షియల్ లెంత్ డిఎల్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు నో. ఓకే, లెట్ us see that in spherical coordinate system what is the formula for dl, that we have to write firstly, that we have to remember firstly, is given by dl equal to the differential length dl equal to dr ar plus r d phi r d theta a theta r d theta a theta. Direction is, this is the formula, one formula it is. Why it is the differential length, differential one table I will show you now. R d theta a theta plus r sin theta d phi a phi. A phi is the unit vector, a theta is the unit vector, ar is the unit vector. మామూలుగా స్పెరికల్ కోఆర్డినేట్ సిస్టంలో r, theta, phi are the coordinates. In spherical coordinate system, r, theta, phi, these are the coordinates we are using in spherical coordinate system. Spherical coordinate system, dl is given by dr ar plus r d theta a theta plus r sin theta d phi a phi, r sin theta d phi a phi. Now we go for potential difference. మామూలుగా potential difference formula ఏంటి? E dot dl కదా, integral initial point final point E dot dl is the potential difference. Potential difference VAB is given by, ఇది potential difference formula, VAB equal to E dot dl. ఇది మనం లాస్ట్ క్లాస్లో డిరైవ్ చేసాం. E dot dl equal to, అది ఎలా వచ్చింది? అది ఇనిషియల్ పాయింట్ ఫైనల్ పాయింట్ అకార్డింగ్ టు ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ, అకార్డింగ్ టు ఫోర్స్ ఆల్సో, ఫోర్స్ పర్ యూనిట్ ఛార్జ్ ఎలక్ట్రిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఈక్వల్ టు, దాని నుంచి వచ్చింది ఇది E dot dl. ఓకే, ద డిఫరెన్షియల్ లెంత్ ఇన్ స్పెరికల్ కోఆర్డినేట్ సిస్టమ్, దిస్ ఫార్ములా వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్. దిస్ డిఫరెంట్ కోఆర్డినేట్ సిస్టమ్స్, వాట్ ఈస్ dl, I will tell one table. Potential difference VAB equal to minus E dot dl, where limits are initial point is B and final point is A in the previous diagram. E dot dl equal to E minus integral B to A E dot dl. But what is B point is RB. Assume that B point is RB. We can replace as B point as RB, because RB is at a distance from the charge Q. We can replace B point can be replaced by RB. It is RB, whereas A point is replaced with RA. Integral minus integral RB to RA and E dot dl. What is the formula for E? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. That we have to substitute here, and we have to substitute this also. Dl plus we have to substitute this, and what is the formula? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square ar. That we have to substitute in place of E, bar. Okay. VAB equal to minus integral RB to RA Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square and ar into, what is the formula for dl? Dl formula we have to write. dl is dr ar plus r d phi r d theta a theta plus r sin theta d phi a phi. In place of dl we have to write the dl formula in spherical coordinate system. In this equation if you substitute dl, ఇక్కడ ఉండేది ఏఆర్ మాత్రమే ఉంది, ఇక్కడ ఏఆర్ ఉంది, రిమైనింగ్ టర్మ్స్ జీరో అవుతాయి. అంటే డాట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏఆర్ ఇంటూ ఏఆర్ ఈస్ 1. ద డాట్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఏఆర్ డాట్ ఏఆర్ ఈస్ 1. ఆల్రెడీ వీ నో దట్ వాట్ ఈస్ డాట్ ప్రోడక్ట్. ax into ax equal to 1. Similarly ar into ar equal to 1. The unit vectors product dot product is ar into ar equal to 1. If you substitute here, then we can write this equation as minus rb to ra integral minus it is rb to ra q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square, 4 by epsilon naught r square, and ar is cancelled. Ar dot ar is 1 and remaining terms are, there is no terms, this becomes 0 and ar multiply చేస్తున్నాం ఇక్కడ q by 4 by epsilon naught r square ar ఇంటూ డిఎల్తో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. డిఎల్ అన్నీ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, ఆర్ డి టీటా ఏ టీటా 0 ఇక్కడ లేదు కాబట్టి, ప్లస్ దీన్ని మల్టిప్లై చేసినా కూడా 0 ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ ఏ టీటా టర్మ్స్ లేవు అండ్ ఏ ఫై టర్మ్స్ లేవు ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై చేయడానికి, ఓన్లీ ఉండేది ఏఆర్ టర్మ్సే ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, క్యూ బై 4 పై ఎప్సిలాన్ నాట్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ డిఆర్, ఏఆర్ డాట్ ఏఆర్ ఇస్, సిన్స్ ఏఆర్ డాట్ ఏఆర్ ఈస్ 1, ఏఆర్ డాట్ ఏఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1. ఇప్పుడు అది సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, విఏబి ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ ఇంటగ్రల్ ఆర్బి టు ఆర్ఏ మైనస్ ఇంటగ్రల్ ఆర్బి టు ఆర్ఏ క్యూ బై 4 పై ఎప్సిలాన్ నాట్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ డిఆర్ వచ్చింది. దిస్ ఈజ్ విఏబి, దట్ ఈస్ విఏబి. విఏబి ఈక్వల్ టు మైనస్ ఆర్బి టు ఆర్ఏ క్యూ బై 4 పై ఎప్సిలాన్ నాట్ ఆర్ స్క్వేర్ డిఆర్. ఓకే, now substitute the limits. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant and substitute the limit. Integration of dr is r. We can write VAB as VAB equal to minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught RB to RA, it is RA, RB to RA. Next is R power minus 2. dr is కింద r square ఉంది కదా, q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square, r power minus 2 dr, r power minus 2 we can write like this and previous equation, that equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught r power minus 2 integration becomes r power minus 2 plus 1 by r power minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1, it is minus 1, that is limits are RB to RA, you will get minus 2 plus 1 వస్తుంది ఇక్కడ కూడా, minus 2 plus 1 ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయడం, r power minus 2 plus 1 directly we can write like this directly, minus 1 here, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, the limits are RB to RA. The integration of r power minus 2 dr integrate చేయాలంటే r power dr integration is r, small r power minus 1 divided by minus 1 integral RB to RA you will get. Okay, now apply the limits, that equal to minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught into r power minus 1 by 1, that is r power minus 1 by minus 1, it is that is also known as, that we can write as 1 by r. We can write 1 by r, r power minus 1 ఏమని రాయొచ్చు, 1 by r అని రాయొచ్చు కదా. ఓకే, మైనస్ 1 by r. ఎందుకు, ఎలా వచ్చింది ఇది r power minus 1? r power minus 1 means 1 by r, ఆల్రెడీ మైనస్ ఉంది కాబట్టి మనం 1 by r, rb to ra లిమిట్స్ సార్, rb to ra. ఓకే, rb to ra దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏమవుతుంది, మైనస్ q by 4 pi epsilon naught, minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Apply the upper limit, minus 1 by ra minus of minus 1 by rb. If you apply the limits, you will get like this. Therefore, we can write VAB as minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Now 1 by ra minus of minus is plus, we will get, we can neglect this. Okay, minus 1 by ra plus 1 by rb, that equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by ra minus 1 by rb, we can write. Therefore the equation becomes VAB becomes minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by minus 1 by ra minus 1 by ra plus 1 by rb. 1 by rb, we can write like this, 1 by rb. Now we can write, instead of this minus common this time అవుతుంది, minus plus it becomes q by 4 pi, ఇది q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by ra minus 1 by rb. We can write like this. If you made common minus and minus, e minus this minus and this minus, if you get cancel, we can write as 1 by ra minus 1 by rb. We can write, this is the formula required. This formula is very important. Potential difference between 2 points due to a simple point charge, due to a point charge is q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by ra minus 1 by rb, where our distance from the charge, the distance of point a from the charge, point b from the charge q, that is the difference, where rb is greater than ra. rb is greater than ra, the distance we assumed previously, the distance is rb is greater than ra, 1 by rb is less than 1 by ra. The VAB is positive, the VAB we will get positive voltage. This formula is very important, we have to remember for numerical also. What is the formula for E bar? E bar a formula ఏంది, electric field intensity E bar equal to q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square, q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square and unit vector ar, or sometimes ax, ay, az, like that. Okay, similarly, what is the electric potential? Electric potential is given by q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by ra minus 1 by rb, volts. The units of this is volt. The unit of potential is volts. Volt is the unit for potential, or joules per coulomb it is also. Okay, this is the potential difference. How to calculate potential difference. Okay, I to understand this, consider a point charge. Another point charge ni b నుంచి a కి మూవ్ చేయడానికి ఎంత పొటెన్షియల్ కావాలి, b నుంచి a కి మూవ్ చేయడానికి VAB ఈక్వల్ టు q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by ra minus 1 by rb. This much of potential is required to move the charge against electric field. Okay, what is absolute potential? Absolute potential of point A is, what is absolute potential? Considering a potential difference between 2 point charges is, 2 points is q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by ra minus 1 by rb volts. Now if you assume rb is from the infinity, RB is infinity. If you substitute RB is infinity, RB is infinity if you substitute here in this equation. Hence 1 by RB becomes, RB is infinity if you substitute in this equation. Why? Because RB, assume that it is very long distance. Very long distance. The potential difference can be expressed now. VAB equal to 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity ఏమవుతుంది? What is the formula for 1 by infinity? What is the answer? Alpha. 1 by infinity is 0. 1 by infinity becomes 0. Therefore VAB or VA is given by absolute potential at point A is given by VA equal to VAB equal to ఏమవుతుంది? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by RA 1 by infinite. That is Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught RA volts. Only 1 by RA we have to multiply this. 1 by RA means Q by 4 pi epsilon naught RA. This is the formula for absolute potential. Absolute potential at point A. Potential of point A is denoted as absolute potential. This is also called as absolute potential. Similarly, absolute potential of point B. At point B is VB equal to now RA becomes infinity. Absolute potential becomes RA is from the infinity. Okay. If you assume the distance is from the infinity RA, then absolute potential at B point is VB equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught RB. Become 1 by epsilon, 1 by infinite becomes 0. Similarly VB. Okay. Now absolute potential at point A, VA equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught RA volts. Similarly VB equal to ఏమవుతుంది? Substitute VA, RA equal to infinite. Substitute RA is infinity. VB becomes Q by 4 pi epsilon naught RB volts. Okay. Now the potential difference, if you want, potential difference can be expressed as the difference between two absolute potential of 2 points. Now VAB can be expressed as, the potential difference can be defined as the difference between absolute potential VA minus VB. If you do VA minus VB, if you substitute here VA minus VB, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught RA minus Q by 4 pi epsilon naught RB. Again same formula you will get. What is the VAB? Okay. That is the concept of absolute potential. Absolute potential at any point in electric field is defined as, what is the definition of absolute potential? We can define from the infinity. If you move, absolute potential at any point in an electric field is defined as the work done in moving a unit test charge from the infinity. The reference point is from the infinity. The reference point at which potential is 0. The potential at which the potential is 0, then it is called absolute potential. Hence absolute potential at any point which is at a distance r from origin of the spherical coordinate system is given by V equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R. Similarly at any point కావాలనుకో RB ని కాకుండా any point if you want to calculate, what is the formula? Okay, V equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R at any point where R is the distance from the charge. Okay. Now what is potential? It is a vector or scalar? In the previous class I told you potential is a scalar. Okay.